Welcome to our channel UK Visa and Immigration Updates. In today's video, we will focus on the skilled worker visa interview. From August 2023, the Home Office had added a genuineness requirement into the skilled worker, but recently there has been a significant increase in embassy interviews, and unfortunately, many applicants are being denied skilled worker visas due to failed interviews. Skilled worker visa genuineness requirement. When applying for a skilled worker visa, the Home Office will want to be reassured that the sponsored role and the candidate are genuine. The Home Office will not award points for sponsorship if they have reason to believe that the sponsored role does not exist, is a sham, or has been created primarily as a way of securing a visa. In addition, if a certificate of sponsorship used by a skilled worker visa applicant is not genuine, the Home Office will refuse the skilled worker visa application. What will happen during the interview? Applications made from outside the UK will normally involve an online or telephone interview. Applications made from inside the UK could be in person. In either case, your interviewer will be someone who works for ukvi and is involved in some capacity in the decision-making process for your particular application. It is important not to panic if you have been notified that you need to attend an interview. You should remember to check your emails for any updates about your application, as interview requests are normally communicated by email rather than telephone. Once your interview has been completed, most applicants should not have to wait too much longer for a decision. Questions related to employer. What is the name and address of your employer in the United Kingdom? What is the nature of your employer's business in the UK? Did you pay any money against COS? Explain the process of getting this job. How do you communicate with your employer in the UK, and do you have any proof of that? Who interviewed you for this job? How long was your interview? What questions was asked to you? Have you received a job offer before getting certificate of sponsorship? Is owner of the company your relative? Do you know who your manager is at this company? Do you know how many employees work in this company? Have you visited your employer's website? Questions related to job. What is your job in the UK, and what will you do on a day-to-day basis? What are your qualifications for your job in the UK? How will this job benefit your future career plans? How did you get this job? Did you sign any agreement? How much is your salary per year? What are your working hours? What is your joining date? How will you travel when you go to work? Have you ever worked in the UK before? Questions related to job in your home country. Where do you work in your country? What is your job and job responsibility? How much is your salary? Why are you leaving your current job role in your home country to start this job in the UK? Questions related to applicant and general questions. Do you have any family or friends in the UK? What is your marital status? Do you have any dependents? Who will pay the cost of your travel? Who will pay the cost towards your visa and IHS fee? Where will you stay in the UK upon arrival? Have you arranged any accommodation in the UK? Do you know how much a monthly living cost while living in the UK? Have you got enough funds to survive in the UK before you get your first salary? Have you ever visited UK or any another country in the past? Have you ever been denied visa of any country, including the UK? This is not an exhaustive list, but a list of questions that may be asked during your interview. Once your interview is over, please request a copy of the interview record, as this may help you if your skilled worker visa is refused. Keep in mind that using deception, for example providing false information or documents in a visa application, usually result in a 10-year re-entry ban. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get timely notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.